Good morning, students. Today we will discuss types of chemical reaction. Up to last class, we have seen that what is a chemical reaction, what are the reactant, what are the product. The material which takes part in a chemical reaction, the material which takes part in a chemical reaction called as reactant. The material which takes part in a chemical reaction known as reactants. The material which is produced, which form as a result of the reaction between the reactants, it is known as product. The material which is produced as a or form as a result of the reaction, this is called as product. And a chemical reaction is shown by an arrow symbol. It shows that these are the reactant, these are the product, and this is the progress of the chemical reaction. Up to this portion we have discussed up to last class. Now types of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions are basically 5 types. Chemical reactions are basically 5 of the types. So look over here. Number 1, combination reactions. Combination reactions. You can say chemical combination reactions. Chemical combination reaction. Second one, these are combination reactions. Second one is the decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. You can say the chemical decomposition reaction. Next one, displacement reactions. Displacement reactions are of 2 types. Single displacement reactions. Number 1, single displacement reaction. Next one, double displacement reactions. Single displacement reaction, double displacement reactions. And next one, oxidation reduction reactions. Oxidation and reduction reactions. So number 1, combination reaction, decomposition reaction, single displacement reaction, double displacement reaction, and next one is the oxidation and reduction reactions. The first one is the chemical combination reaction. In case of the chemical combination reaction, there are 2 reactants. There are 2 or more, कितने भी हो सकते हैं. There are 2 reactants. They combine, react with one another. एक दूसरे से react करेंगे, and they produce a product. This is called as AB product. So these are reactants and this is product. So how will you write the definition? Define it. When 2 or more reactants combine to form single product. When 2 or more reactants combine to form single product is called chemical combination reaction. Now second one. Second reaction is just opposite to it. This is the decomposition reaction. The decomposition reaction. Chemical decomposition reaction. In this reaction, a product is broken down into two or more reactants. A reactant can be broken down into two or more products. When one material like this one AB, this AB broken down into this one. So a material can be broken down into, decomposed into two or more reactants, two or more products. When a reactant broken down into two or more product is known as decomposition reaction. Decomposition is just opposite to the composition reaction. Got it? Now look, single displacement reaction. So look over here. There is a compound. Suppose BC is a compound. Suppose BC is a compound. Compound when the material which is made up of two or more kind of the atoms or two or more kind of the elements combined in a fixed ratio known as compound. So this compound, this compound living its normal life. When a more reactive element, when there is a more reactive element come in the or react with this compound, when this more reactive element react with this compound, it replace, it displace अपनी जगह से बाहर निकाल देगा. It displaces the less reactive element from the compound. Suppose करो it is strong, more reactive, B is less reactive, तो B को क्या करेगा, इसे ये displace कर देगा and it will produce a product AC and B will remove over here. B will goes out from the compound. We can look again the reaction in which more reactive element displace the less reactive element from its compound. Displace the less reactive element from its compound. Such kind of reaction is known as single displacement reaction. I have taken one activity given in your book. I have taken this flask. This is the flask and put some water. I have taken some water in it. Now this is blue color. This is copper sulfate. What is name of this one? Copper sulfate. This is copper sulfate. What is the formula of copper sulfate? You must learn. अभी नहीं तो बाद में याद करना ही पड़ेगा. तो copper sulfate formula CuSO4. This copper sulfate is of blue color. Now I am adding this copper sulfate in this water. Now stir it well. Yes. What color you are observing? Blue color. The solution becomes blue in color. This solution becomes blue in color. Copper sulfate add into the water. Now this is the iron nail. लोहे की कील है simple. When we put this iron nail in it and after we put this for half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hour. After 1 hour, 2 hour, you will observe it. The blue color of this one change into green color. ये blue color किससे change हो जाएगा बच्चों? Green color का हो जाएगा. And it shows that the color of the solution change from blue to green. It shows the reaction between the iron and copper sulfate. What is happening over here in this reaction? In this reaction, iron is more reactive. It reacts with the copper sulfate. Iron is more reactive, which react with the copper sulfate, and it displaces, which is more reactive, iron, which is less reactive, copper. So iron displaces to the copper and produce FeSO4. Blue color of solution due to copper sulfate. But after reaction it produce iron sulfate, and due to presence of iron sulfate the reaction, its color is green. Due to formation of iron sulfate the solution becomes green. Copper remove out from the solution. कहाँ जाएगा? Copper will deposit over the iron nail. लोहे की कील है, उसका कलर कैसे हो जाएगा? ब्राउन हो जाएगा. Why it become brown? Due to deposition of copper ions from the solution over the iron nails. This is the single displacement reaction. You will write these reactions and note down this activity in your notebook. Now a question arise over here. हमें कैसे पता चलेगा which is the more reactive or which is the less reactive metal? So we have a chemical reactivity series. In this series, this is the potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium Mg. Clear? Magnesium, aluminium. These are this reactivity series. At the top, this is more reactive, this is the less reactive. Like this, after aluminium, zinc, iron, tin, lead, after this, hydrogen, copper, silver, gold, and in last, this is the platinum. This is a series. You will write this series up to 3 times in your notebook, and you will learn this series. Watch again and again. You will be able to learn this reactivity series. Potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, tin and lead. Zinc, iron, tin, lead. In this, it shows that zinc is more reactive than the iron. In this experiment, we have seen that iron is more reactive than the copper. So, iron displaces to the copper from its salt. Now, next reaction is the double displacement reaction. If in the reaction double displacement reaction. In such kind of the reactions, there are 2 salts, A, B. There are 2 compounds. One compound is AB and second compound is the CD. One compound is AB and second compound is CD. Now, A displaces to the C. A may displace to the C. B, there is exchange of the ion. A displaces to the C and C displaces to the A. Exchange of ions takes place. दोनों ने एक दूसरे को एक्सचेंज कर लिया. केवल यही इसको चेंज नहीं करेगा, ये भी इसको चेंज कर देगा. So the salt, the product may be BC plus AD. BC plus AD. So in such kind of the reactions are known as double displacement reactions.